Hello guys, I'm Prakriti N from CSEI studying in Shri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm going to present about normal forms which comes under the subject called database management system. The contents are introduction to normal form, first normal form, second normal forms, third normal form, Boy's code normal form, fourth normal form, fifth normal form, domain key normal form, and conclusion. Introduction to normal form. Normal form and database management systems refer to the structuring of a relational database to minimize data redundancy and ensure data integrity. It involves organizing data to meet specific requirements, enhancing performance and scalability while reducing the potential for anomalies. First normal form, no repeating groups. So 1NF requires that each column in a table should hold a single value and that there are no repeating groups of columns. Atomic values, all the data is stored automatically, meaning each piece of information is indivisible. Unique column names, each column has a unique name that distinguishes it from other columns in the table. Second normal form, removing partial dependencies. So second normal form eliminates partial dependency by requiring non-prime attributes to be fully functionally dependent on the candidate keys. Understanding candidate keys, it is necessary a clear understanding of candidate keys, which are minimal sets of columns whose values can be used to uniquely identify a row in a table. So explanation is first normal form compliance ensures that all columns in the table contain atomic values. Functional dependency, understand the concept of functional dependency where the value of one attribute uniquely determines the value of other attribute. Primary key consideration, identify the primary key of the table. The primary key is a unique identifier for each record in the table. Full functional dependencies, all non-key attributes should be fully functionally dependent on the entire primary key. In other words, no part of the primary key should determine any one key attribute. A third normal form, removing transitive dependencies. So third normal form further refines data storage by eliminating transitive dependencies, ensuring data is organized logically and efficiently. Ensuring data integrity, it plays a critical role in preserving data integrity and reducing storage overhead in large database. Second normal form compliance ensures that the table is already in second normal form. Transitive dependency. Understand the concept of transitive dependency where an attribute depends on another attribute that is not its primary key. Prime or non-prime attributes. Identify prime attributes that is part of the primary key and non-prime attributes not part of the primary key. Remove transitive dependencies. Eliminate any transitive dependencies by creating separate tables for attributes that depend on non-prime attributes. Boy's code normal form, formulating key dependencies. So Boy's code normal form formulates the notion of key dependencies, which are crucial in understanding the properties of a relational database schema. Enhancing database design, it serves to enhance the design of a database, ensuring optimal organization and structure. Fourth normal form, multi-valued dependencies. Fourth normal form addresses the storing of multi-valued dependencies, allowing for more efficient and normalized database design. Highly specialized applications. It is often used in highly specialized applications where more complex types of data organization are required. Fifth normal form, data decomposition. Fifth normal form involves the decomposition of data leading to a more granular level of organization and representation. Advanced database systems. It's commonly employed in advanced database systems, creating to complex and large-scale data storage requirements. Background, before reaching 5NF, a database is not typically normalized up to the fourth normal form. Normalization is a process that helps organize and structure a relational database to reduce redundancy and the risk of data anomalies. Multi-valued dependencies. A multi-valued dependency occurs when one attribute uniquely determines another attribute, but this relationship involves sets of values rather than the individual values. For example, consider a table with attributes A, B, and C, where A uniquely determines both B, C. If B and C are sets of values rather than single values, a multi-valued dependency exists. Joint dependencies. So joint dependencies are relationships between tables that necessitates joining them to retrieve certain information. Fifth normal form is concerned with joint dependencies that involve multiple values, multiple tables that are implied by the candidate keys of those tables. Definition of fifth normal form. A table is said to be in fifth normal form if every joint dependency in the table is implied by the candidate keys of that table. In simpler terms, it means that any information that can be obtained by joining tables is already represented by the candidate keys in those tables. Achieving a fifth normal form. To achieve fifth normal form, the database must already be in fourth normal form. The process often involves further decomposing tables to eliminate certain types of dependencies, especially those related to multi-value dependencies and joint dependencies. Benefits of normalization is data consistency, improved performance, complex queries. Data consistency, normalization ensures consistent data storage, minimizing the risk of data redundancy or inconsistency. Improved performance, it leads to improved database performance and reduced storage requirements, accelerating data retrieval and manipulation. Complex queries, supports complex queries and data analysis while maintaining data accuracy and integrity. Conclusion, transforming data model. Normalization transforms the data model into a more efficient and logical structure, enhancing data management and usage. Further scalability, it ensures that the database can accommodate further growth and changes without compromising its integrity and performance. Thank you.